Hello everyone, my name is Mridul Mishra and I'm the co-founder and CTO at Solvo Private Limited. So in this video we are going to see how to install Print Designer app inside ERPNext. So as you all know, the main thing which comes up at the end of creating all the customizations and all the delivery part is the print formats, is the printouts of the documents, maybe it is sales invoice, sales order, quotations, purchase orders, purchase invoice, delivery note, anything which you are creating inside a manufacturing unit, you want it to get print. So to solve that particular issue, ERPNext or Frappe team has developed an app which is known as Print Designer, which is used to create custom HTML, CSS, JavaScript based print formats, which could be designed as per your needs and as per your information, right? So today in this video we are going to see step-by-step process to install Print Designer on your local computer, right? So to just get started, I have created a document over here, right? What all details you need to have to get started. First of all, you need to have ERPNext and Frappe should be version 15 or above, so that is the basic requirement. Secondly, you must have terminal SSH access to your server. If you are doing it on your server, you should have SSH access. If you are doing it on your local computer like me, you can directly install it, right? Basic understanding of bench command, if you don't have, in this video we are going to see it. The first thing which you need to have inside your computer or inside your device is wkhtml PDF. This is an library of Python, or maybe you can say it as a library which comes up with Ubuntu also, which you need to have inside your system, right? And specifically you need to have Qt version of this wkhtml, right? So I'll just share how to check whether you have wkhtml or not in your computer. So I'm inside my VS Code. I'll just close my server, right? And what I'll do is I'll just run a command wkhtml to pdf w dash dash version, right? So what should come in your PC is this wkhtml 0.12.6 with patched qt. So if you don't have patched qt, then the Print Designer won't work as per your needs, right? So that is the basic requirement. If you don't have, you can follow this document. I'll share the link of this document. So you just have to run this 3 commands, and then you will have a wkhtml pdf with patched qt in your system, right? Once you do this, what you need to do is you need to first run this command. You need to come inside your Frappe bench and you need to run the command bench get app print designer, right? So if I'll come on this screen, I'll just write bench get app print designer. So what it will do is it will fetch the print designer on your computer. All right, so this is what it is doing. It might take some time. Be patient with it and just wait to get and fetch all the information of Print Designer. But the main thing is wk2html, which you need to have in your system, right? So it is just fetching all the details. Just put the password, sudo password, right? So now the Print Designer is inside our system. Now what we need to do is we need to install this app inside our website, right? So what I'll do, I'll run bench site. The name of your site, for me the name of site is Solvo. You need to write install dash app and the name of the app, which is print underscore designer. Okay, once you do this, just click enter. So what it will do is it will install all the files for your website. Alright, so the Print Designer is installed on my website. What is the next step? What you need to do is you need to build assets and migrate, right? So to build the asset of this app, you need to write bench build apps Print Designer. Just paste it. Okay, so this is also done. Now let's come back to the document again. What you need to do next is bench site and just run a migration on that particular site which you are using, right? So I'll open this, I'll write bench site. The name of my site is Vigisolvo, and you need to write migrate. Right, so it will generate all the migration which is needed for the print designer. Okay, first we need to run the server and then run the migration. So I'll just start bench, and in the next command prompt bench site Vigisolvo and just run migrate. So as you see, all the doc types are getting updated one by one for ERPNext and for other also. We have an app for print designer also. After ERPNext, it will do the migration for it. Okay, so this is done. The build is created. Let's see what is needed. If you want to do bench restart, you can do it, else it won't matter. Right, now let's run this print designer inside our website. So I'll just reload it once. Okay, so once the website is loaded, you need to search for print format list, or you can directly click on open print format builder. So as soon as you click on print format builder, you can select to edit or select a doc type to make a print format. So for example, if you want to do it for sales invoice, just click on sales invoice and just write the sales invoice custom, create a new format. Okay, now what you can do is you can go inside, you can see this whole thing has come up. Okay, so you can use this to build your print format, and I'll show you more ways of customizing a print format builder, right, and creating a custom print format. So maybe in the next video we'll cover that, but this is all about how to install the print format application inside your ERPNext. Thank you so much for watching till here. If you have liked this video, please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you want any help in installing print format or print designer, please connect with me.